Okay guys, so you can see that on the left I have the CoinEx broker and on the right I'm using Osprey. Okay guys, so I get a lot of questions in the comments of how to contact me or how to join, one of my programs. And all you have to do is go to the description. And if you want to join the team, it's right there. If you want to see what else I'm working on, it says work with me. It's right there. If you need extra help as far as like you're a beginner in Forex, you click right here. Watch the 4-part series. And my email is right there. So the brokers that I use are right here. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. I put this at the beginning of the video for a reason. What I'm showing you right now is how each broker calculates. So on the CoinEx account, you can see that they are using futures. And on the Osprey account, you see that they are using CFD. So if you guys want me to, I will go in depth as far as like what each of this means as far as different calculations and stuff like that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something that you guys would like to see. What you see right here is the contract size. The contract size on the CoinEx, you can see it is a 1. The contract size on Osprey is 100. So what you guys need to do when you start looking at different brokers, you can sign up for as many demo accounts as you want to. Like, it doesn't matter. You don't even have to go to the website to sign up for the account. You can do it straight on the MT4 on the phone. All you have to do is go to settings and then click open new demo account and then type in like any random broker, right? So when you do that, you need to go to the details so you can see how they calculate the different pairs and indices. Okay, that's why even though we're talking about US30, that's why some brokers you can trade a 0.01 with gold, and then other brokers you have to trade a 1.00. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is the difference between using a 0.01 on Osprey that uses a contract size of 100 versus CoinEx that uses a contract size of 1. So with the CoinEx, you can see this is a live account and it is a small account. It has about $83 in here. So I wanted to show you guys you can actually trade US30 using a small account and your account is not over leveraged. So this is US30. Hold up. This is show and go. Let me change that real quick. Okay. So as you guys can see, there is a tremendous price difference. There is no way you will be able to trade US30 on an Osprey account with $80. It's just not possible. So some of the main brokers like 𝐤𝐤𝐻, they calculate indices the same way that Osprey does. So when you are researching your brokers, you just want to, either email support, look at the FAQs, hop on a call with customer service, or just email them and ask. It's hundreds of brokers out there. You just want to find one, or actually a couple, because, everybody has more than one bank account. So you should have more than one broker account. I tell people that all the time. So you should never have your money in one broker account. Do your research and see which broker works for you. So because 𝐤𝐤𝐻 is very popular, that's why I know that they calculate the pips the same as Osprey. And that's why I'm using these as examples, because these are brokers that I use. These are brokers that I have experience with. If you want to use them, they'll be in the description below, but this is not saying use these brokers. This is just what I use. So this is how people are making money really, really, really fast. And this is how people can blow their accounts in like 5 minutes. So I'm going to put in a trade for 𝐺U so I can show you guys what I mean. In this software, I'm testing it out to see if I really like it. That'll be in the description below as well if you want to try it out. So let's see. Okay, we're gonna do an Aud Cad trade. I don't even trade this pair, but it's all green, so we're just gonna rock with it since I don't have time to do like a real analysis or anything like that. I just want to show you guys, you know, the difference between the lot sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in a buy right here, and I'm gonna put the same trade in Osprey. It's not gonna be the same exact entry, but you guys understand what I'm trying to show you. Do you have brain fog, frustrated and confused while looking at the market? As a trader, mental clarity and being focused is imperative. And if you are also running low on energy, this can hinder your trading journey. And if you're looking for a natural alternative, our Flare Energy capsules may help keep your energy running high and give you that edge you need while looking at the charts. Ready to try? Click the link in the description. So you guys already see how the 0.01 is up $17 on the Osprey account, but the 0.01 on the CAD trade, which is a regular Forex pair, is about the same on both brokers. Like it's no difference. So you guys are seeing a live demonstration on how indices are calculated on different brokers. Indices are counted in points and Forex pairs are counted in pips. So I'm going to go ahead and put my other template on here so you guys can see the way the pips are calculated. We can go into that if you guys want to know the difference between points and pips. We can go into that as well. Let me know in the comments if that's something that y'all want to see. But you know, people are really, at this point, people are using it interchangeably, so you know, whatever. So you guys see on the AUD CAD, it is negative 1.8 pips right now. But let me switch it to US30 so you can see the difference. Okay, so you see how it says 400, 500 pips. Let me go to a lower time frame so you can actually see what's going on. So now you see it's at 300 pips, and this is on CoinEx, okay? So I know a lot of people have been wondering, you know, how are people making so much money trading US30? And this is how they are making so much money, because indices are calculated differently. But honestly, if you were trading a regular Forex pair with a higher lot size, then you'll be making the same amount of money. But people think because they see a 0.01, they think it's less risk, but it's actually not. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this AUD CAD trade because you guys see what's going on. It's just regular Forex pair with a 0.01, which means that's 10 cents per pip, 10 cents per pip movement. So if you guys don't know about pips and movement, then you should watch my Forex 101 video. So when we get these trade ideas, you can put the trade in a couple of different ways. If you want to put in multiple trades, hold up, risk disclaimer, this is not this is not investment advice. This is well, this is what we do. Well, some of us. Okay, so we are if you are putting in multiple trades, you should have 80% go to TP1 and then 20% at TP either 2, 3, or 4, right? So whatever lot size you decide to trade, then you would divide that by how many times you want to get in the trade, right? So that's something that you will have to decide yourself with proper risk management, because it depends on how much money you have in your account. So the first TP is always at 500 pips, which is, we're just going to put this right here. It's close enough. So when you hit TP1, it'll be $50.39. But the same TP on the CoinEx account will only be Yeah. And y'all see how the numbers are different and the pips are calculated different. So you see how this says 61 pips instead of 500. Basically, if you're trying to go for 500 pips, then on CoinEx, it would be 50. Okay. That's why I said you just have to, ask questions. That's what customer service is there for with your broker. So the same TP is 84 pips, and that is 84 cents. So I just switched to this account. It only has like $50 in it, well, $49, right? So if you try to do a 0.01 on this account, look what happens. Not enough money. And if I was on my phone, it would literally say not enough money. So if you are trying to trade on an account like Osprey or 𝐒𝐄𝐈𝐍𝐿 or anything like that, and you only got $50 in your account, you are not going to be able to trade. You could probably trade it with at least 100, but just know that, let me go back to the demo account. Just know that if this trade was going in the opposite direction, and you only got $100 in your account, and your account was negative 23, 22, it's not a good look at. So that's why you either need to use a broker that you can, use and build your account up if you want to trade this pair, or you need to find some more money. And I already told y'all a couple ways that y'all can find some more money. You can make at least like $1,000 this month by referring people to Chime. So if you need information on that, I'll be uploading that video, but my referral link for Chime will be in the description, and all you have to do is refer, let me see, 13 people, and you'll have $1,000. So pretty sure that at least 13 people that can't get a bank account. Or I wouldn't even say that. I'm pretty sure at least 13 people that want $75. So it's a win-win for both parties. Okay, risk disclaimer again. This is not trading advice. This is educational, entertainment purposes only. If you have the extra money and you want to trade this pair using the Osprey broker, you will need at least $500 to $1,000 in your account because of how risky this pair is and how fast it moves. If you want to trade this pair using CoinEx, and there is a process, and when you join the team, you can get access to it. So I hope this was helpful. You guys let me know in the comments, because I know actually seeing it side by side is better than just explaining the difference between lot size and leverage and stuff like that, because you can actually see the difference. So what I'm about to do now on this CoinEx account, I'm going to enter another trade at a 0.05 so y'all can see what will happen. And then I'm going to enter the AUD CAD with the same lot size, so you guys can see that no matter if it's an indice or a Forex pair, the lot size that you use will be the same on the CoinEx. Okay, so another important thing to look at is the margin level. I'm at 600%. Kind of over leveraging this account, but not really, but kind of, but it's only for video purposes. So it's like, you know, whatever, you know, I gotta show you guys what I'm talking about. So, honestly, it's been times where my leverage has gone down to like 50, and that's like really over leveraging, like the whole bottom be red and everything like that. So y'all try it in demo so y'all can know. Don't do that. All right, so like I said, you want to make sure that you aren't over leveraging your account, and you just really want to follow a strict 2 to 5% risk on each trade. That is what most people recommend. And let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And like I said before, these are just 2 brokers that I use. Both of the brokers will be in the description. So if you are interested in trading US30 with a lower lot size with CoinEx, when you sign up for the account, it will be a regular account. You have to, there is a process to get special pricing, and I'm only offering that to people that join the team. So if that's something that you want to do, send me an email. Everything will be listed in the description. And once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video so people can understand, you know, the difference between the lot sizes, trading indices versus Forex pairs. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to take a wild guess and assume that you like free stuff. If you do, go ahead and click the link in the description for free business tips, tricks, and ideas. And if you're like me and you love everything health and beauty related, go ahead and subscribe to my beauty channel right here, where I release weekly videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and by the way, turn on those post notifications. Bye for now.